Hello, I am Prabhu.
Myself, Roshan from Industrial Chemistry Department.
I am Sinu from Chemical Department.
I am Bharat Hegde from Mechanical Department.
My name is Yashwant and I am from MSME department.
So hello guys, हम पांचों के पांचों लोग ईपी से हैं.
Engineering physics.
हाँ बोलना जरूरी था ये.
सबको नहीं बताता है.
हाँ.
Oh, David. I'm from Kerala. BDS Design. First year.
Such a beautiful campus and there is a nice greenery and the buildings are really beautiful.
Infrastructure was really good as far as we know, and the expectations were exceeded, to be honest.
And a lot of trees here, and it was like wonderfully decorated.
Okay, so honestly, when I got in here, I was just like, am I allowed? First question.
Initially, I was scared a bit, but I got to meet like good people, so I'm happy about it.
Not much. I like the hostel, and I was staying in the guest house yesterday and day before yesterday. And the bus is coming and going, so no problem for luggage.
Had a lot of fun doing exploring the campus life.
Like हम पिछले 4 दिनों से तो मतलब बिल्कुल कैंपस एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. भाई क्या मजा आ रहा है यार. मतलब
One eternity later.
देख रहा हूँ. हाँ.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
Oh. And then I was like, and then I was like,
Yeah, probably flying. Like, yeah, transportation will be easy, right? Yeah. I want mind control power.
I would like to read people's mind.
I also prefer mind reading only, because, people are very complex and all. So it's like, to know their perspectives and their opinion, like stuff like, also their darkest secrets.
Multitasking effectively.
Turn invisible. I want to be isolated. I want to be unnoticed.
Flying at supersonic speeds, like Superman, Homelander, like everyone else. Like just
I would prefer to teleport. I'm too lazy to travel from one place to another.
The first people I would see is the time control. Means here the time gets too fast. Like getting out of the hostel, you get when you get out of the hostel, you go to mess and then mess to department to again mess to again hostel, again to something.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So the whole day goes in like your day was such a quick in 2 seconds it went by.
Control the 100% of my brain.
Nice.
डोरेमोन की पॉकेट चलेगी.
सही बात.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
कुछ नहीं करूँगा, एनीवेयर डोर लूंगा और बिल्कुल उसे बेच दूंगा. 2 मिनट में बेचना है नहीं, उसे सेल मतलब उसे बिजनेस करूंगा यार. एक जगह लगा रखूंगा जहाँ पे भीड़ ज्यादा होगी या फिर जहाँ पे लोगों को ट्रैवल ज्यादा करना है. कैश करेंगे. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. अरे सही बात भाई. कहाँ जाना है वहाँ चले जाएंगे. वहाँ भी समझ रहे हो तुम लोग.
समझ रहे हो?
I want to read minds, so professors can give me A+ for every semester.
यार लेकिन हिडन टैलेंट हिडन होता है ना.
बात तो सही है.
I'm good in drawing, like especially pencil shading.
Maybe mimicry of Bollywood heroines.
hey, you do yours. I'll think about it.
Talent सोचना पड़ रहा है बंदे को.
Seniors.
okay, so I know this magic trick. I'll show you. Like I can put my thumb through my ear. It's a bit of a magic trick, I know.
No, I'm worthless. I'm.
Hey, why are you always giving me first chance? Yeah. Hey, I'm already.
The buildings here, the departments, a lot of the departments are here. So I'm going to explore all those departments, all those clubs, as you said.
The nightlife with campus infrastructures and friends all.
Hostel life, friends, and fests.
Fests, cultural stuff.
The freedom and the opportunity I get here.
The assignments. Let's go.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Mostly about clubs, because for the past 2 years I've done nothing but study. So I really want to explore myself and I'm really excited about clubs.
मैं तो सीनियर्स के साथ बात करने में और मिलान के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ.
Being along with friends, enjoying, that's the most exciting part. This is the place where we get friends for lifelong, so we should spend accordingly.
But the person who inspires me is Lionel Messi, the greatest of all time.
Ratan Tata. Because of his honor, everyone honor him.
I'm impressed by Sundar Pichai, the founder of Google. I just want to be him, like.
कुछ भी.
He's not the founder.
Sorry,
he's the
CEO of Google.
कोई बात नहीं. हम तो ये है.
Ranveer Allahabadiya. Ranveer Allahabadiya. Like beer by Krishna.
Yo Hani Singh.
Yeah, actually Ishan Sharma. He is a college dropout and he's currently at, I think, age of 22. He's from BITS, Goa. I really admire him.
I wouldn't say inspired by, but I just like their journey. So Maria Sharapova, she's like a tennis player, but then she was caught in doping.
What?
I don't know if that's the reason why she moved to entrepreneurship. But yeah, she runs a nice candy business. I know who doesn't want to own a candy business. So yeah.
Spotify.
अग्निकुल कॉस्मोस, क्योंकि इंडिया का फर्स्ट प्राइवेट स्पेस एजेंसी है, वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट.
Snitch.com. Snitch. Yeah, it's a clothing brand.
I don't remember the name, but there's this bike app, like especially in metro cities when you're going from metro station to your home. So there's this bike app which you book a bike and then you take the bike and you go to your home. That is very convenient and that is a very innovative idea. It is, I think, started only recently. I don't remember the name though.
Soul Store maybe the start where I got this shirt from.
अभी Zero the बहुत चल रहा है. Fast growing very well. Started by an IIT.
Microsoft is like one of the biggest startups I know. I have read about like its development and how in the past like they all struggled. So
I'm interested in web development. And it's a booming field right now. So if I could make one startup, it would be with regards to web development.
Something related to gaming industry. I love gaming.
Social media will be like creating new social media app like startup.
No. Wait.
Connect people.
Wait.
That will be nice.
Book deliveries, like flying book deliveries. Like if someone wants to read a book right now, like they can rent it, like, and the book will reach their doorstep in like 1 hour or something like that. I also want to create an app which will suggest us songs which are based on our moods. Something we want to listen to at the time.
मैं क्या करूँ फिर जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
yeah, actually I have an idea to make an app for female cab drivers so that female can feel safe with them in traveling, like in night time.
Maybe it would be something related to music and singing.
I would like to time management and productivity app and help them low their screen time. Many people have the problem of the screen time. They just scroll and the many other things. So I would like to help them and me also.
सेमीकंडक्टर बनाएंगे यार, मतलब इंडिया को और आगे लेके जाएंगे.
शाबाश बेटा.
तो यार अभी तो देखेंगे, अभी तो एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है. मतलब लिटरली अंडे से बाहर आए हुए 3 दिन नहीं हुए मैं.
क्या बोला तूने?
लिटरली लाइक एनालॉजी है भाई.
Probably be happy with what we have in life and make the best of it.
Be happy, do whatever you want. That makes you successful.
Always stay consistent.
See, people face many issues in time management, so like try to improve that part.
Respect everyone, be responsible for your activities, This is the main thing in the life, because if you respect everyone, they'll respect you.
एक शॉशैंक रिडेम्पशन एक मूवी है, उसमें एक है कोट है कि कभी भी उम्मीद नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, होप, तो वो अच्छा है।
यार गलत एडवाइस बताओ तो जेई के बाद मजे ही मजे हैं।
झूठ बोल रहा है।
नो 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 नो, आई एम टेलिंग यू। एक चीज बोलने से पहले 100 बार सोच लेना चाहिए। दैट व्हाट माय फादर सेड।
I don't know what ESL is यार।
That's funny.
Okay.
Empowerment.
Escherichia coli.
Electronics.
Energy conservation, something like that.
E is for elephant.
एक साथ बोलेंगे भाई। Entrepreneurship.